Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Enriched by Neelu, and this is Neelima. So friends, today I'm presenting a very beautiful greeting card. It is a amazing greeting card, I must say, because I enjoyed making it, and I hope you will also enjoy watching the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. So it is a very simple greeting card. I have used my palm to trace out and to make the greeting card. Just simply you too have to do the same thing. So I have used the left hand for this, tracing out. So then after that you have to make it properly so that it should look like a greeting card. So when it is cut, it will look like something like this. So I have stick on this onto another paper so that it will look like a margin for it. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So let me know how you liked it or how it is. So thank you so much for watching the video and keep watching for more interesting videos. Thank you friends. Bye.